Oh, hey there, Joseph here. Welcome or welcome back. One question for you. How can you project yourself as the leader that you are on camera? Well, this is exactly what I'm helping you with today, so keep watching. My name is Joseph Rebelli. I help you to convert followers into customers using video and content marketing. And today I walk you through 4 hacks you can use to project yourself as a leader on camera. Let's dive in. It happens times and times again. You have all the expertise, all those years of experience in your field, and you really have what it takes for your client to get to the next level with your service or your product. However, it only does take one video for you to lose that credibility and expertise and for camera shyness and self-doubt to come in. Am I right? Smash the like button if you agree and let me know what your thoughts in the comments. Let me tell you something, when it comes to videos, there is so much more work that we're doing in our head compared to what it has to be done outside. And one of the first points that I want to share is that you are the messenger, not the message. Why am I saying this? When we go in front of the camera, we're really self-doubting ourselves. We will look at ourselves, we will not like what we see because we are so focused on our appearance. But here's the deal. When people find your video, you are there because you're delivering a message or a discount code or an information that they need. So therefore, they're actually in there for the message that you're sharing and you are just a plus. People, of course, will like you as well, and this will come later in the game once they get to know you. But it doesn't take one video, it takes a little bit more than that. So at the very beginning, if you are someone lacking of confidence and you feel like, oh, I don't look good enough for video, I don't speak well enough for videos, I can't really deliver my expertise on video because I'm shy. Here's the trick. Just try to think that you are only there to deliver a message. Just like you are calling someone on FaceTime to tell them something important. That's a very good mindset shift for you to actually shake off all that negativity and self-doubt and show up on camera. Point number 2 is that smile will take you a long way. Why do I say this? Because when it comes to video, if you're not confident on camera and you're so focused on what you have to say because you want to say it right, it is super common to actually lose your smile and get your body language to be very negative about you. Your body speaks at the same pace as you do. So if you are on camera and you are relaxed, you will make your viewer feel relaxed. If you are uncomfortable, you will make your viewer feel uncomfortable. For example, have you ever watched a video on TikTok or Instagram where someone doing something really cringe-worthy and you therefore feel cringe-worthy as well? Let me know in the comments. But that's exactly the same feeling. We are the mirror of our viewers. So if we feel comfortable and relaxed, the viewer will be more pleased to watch you. It's really about the energy that you bring on camera. When I do Instagram Live, which happens every week on my page, I tend to bring a very good energy on camera because I know that people will connect for that energy. The way you get perceived is also the reason why people will come back to you. That's a very important message for you. Big smile, open body language. And if you're looking to share your hands, make sure they're open and facing camera because that showcases you as a person that is honest and trustworthy. The third point, it's super important. It's about the camera and where we have to look. We have been actually forced to be more on camera than we would like to be due to the pandemic. We are on Zoom calls very often. We might be doing a little bit more Instagram Live. We might be doing a little bit more Reels. Where to look on camera, it's super important. You want to look at the lens. Why? The lens is the eye of your viewer. Think about when you are meeting your best friend for a coffee. Would you look at your best friend's shoulder? Would you look at your best friend's chest, or would you look at your best friend's eyes? When you're speaking with someone, it's really nice to look in the eyes, so why not doing it on camera? It's super important to make sure that you have that direct contact with your viewer. Extra bonus tip for you, make sure if you are on camera and you're doing a video that is business related, to speak to only one person. There isn't anything worse than when people start their video with, hey guys, what's up everybody? This is probably the first time they are on camera. This is a very good strategy if you have been on camera for a while, if you have a big community and people are used to see you very often. But if it's the first time that you're doing that, make sure you speak to only one person. This will make the person on the other side feel very special. Also, it's a very nice way, an authentic way to speak on social media because we are not on TV. When you're on TV, there is a difference because you will speak to a wider audience and that's the way people expect you to react. But social media, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more personal. And this is exactly how you want the perception of the video to be. Extremely personal and relatable to the person that is watching. Last but not least is point number 4, watch your pace. Why do I say this? Every one of my clients that I coach on camera confidence has the same issue. We all speak fast because we want the video to finish quicker. Am I right? Let me know in the comments. I did the same exactly mistake for a different reason. I started doing video in English. English is my second language. I thought speaking fast was a way for me to be perceived as someone that knows what he's talking about. But I realized that actually it's better for people to understand what I have to say. When you are speaking in English as a second language, there is this tendency to give the language the same pace of your mother tongue. I'm Italian, it's a very fast language, so I used to give to English the same speed of Italian. Of course, it's different. So the slower, the better when you are speaking on camera. You might have people that don't speak English really well and they find your video and they want to understand you. You might have people that actually prefer to speed you up through YouTube or through Instagram, and instead of you speaking fast, they have the choice to do it for you. A very good exercise you can do if you are someone struggling with this and you realize that you're speaking really fast, to use your hands as a measure of measurement. Use your hands to actually give yourself the right speed. So for example, if I'm speaking really fast and I notice and I'm very aware of it, I just will do this, and this will allow me to slow down a little bit. That's a very simple exercise, and also it's a very good way to use your hands on camera. Bonus tip for you: if you are someone that is not confident on video, you're not familiar with video, and you are doing videos in a different language, make sure you bullet point your video rather than scripting your video. When you are speaking in a different language, there is this tendency to write everything you're going to say, but what is the problem there? You do not sound natural. You sound like you're reading, which is essentially what you're doing. You are learning your script. That could be another way for you to do it, but that's another problem that comes up. And the problem is that the more you read your script, the less authentic and natural you will be perceived on camera, because let's face it, you probably are already drained by that topic. But rather than burn yourself out, make sure you actually use bullet points. You use some simple bullet points where you're going to actually write what you're going to cover, and then let your natural flow to come in place. Yes, it might be a little bit strange at the beginning, but practice will be your best friend. There you have it. Those were 4 points for you to project yourself as a leader on camera. Which one of these points was the most useful for you? Which ideas that I share you think you're going to use next? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you're seeing and you would like to see more, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new one. We'll see you same time, same place on the next one.